In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a new GitHub repository into Lovable AI using Chrome. Whether you're making a switch or starting fresh with a new project, these steps will ensure you make a smooth transition. To get started, open up Google Chrome on your computer and then launch the Lovable AI platform. Once the platform is up and running, navigate your way to your project's dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your work on Lovable AI. As you land on the dashboard, keep an eye out for the section dedicated to GitHub integration. This is where all your current GitHub connections and settings can be managed. If you already have a repository connected and you need to change it or replace it with a new one, the first thing you'll need to do is disconnect the current repository. You might see an option to disconnect or unlink your current project with GitHub. Click on that, and it might take a moment, but soon you'll be ready to connect to a new repository without any hassle. With the older repository out of the way, you can now set up the connection with a new repository. Click on the Connect GitHub button, which will prompt you to enter the URL of the new GitHub repository you want to connect to. Make sure you have copied the correct URL of the new repository from your GitHub account to avoid any errors. During this process, you might be required to authenticate with GitHub. It's an essential security measure to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to your projects. If you are prompted, go ahead and sign in with your GitHub credentials. Make sure your login details are handy. Once all is verified and authenticated, you're almost at the finish line. Now the exciting part, importing and opening your new project within Lovable AI. With the repository connected, look for options to import the project. This will bring over all the files and data from your GitHub repository into the Lovable AI platform, setting the stage for you to continue your work seamlessly. And there you have it. With your new repository in place, you're all set to explore, create, and innovate with Lovable AI. Taking a moment to ensure each step is carefully followed will save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. Enjoy your newfound capabilities, and happy coding!